Morning, guys. It's Sunday morning and we're getting ready to go and have breakfast before we head out to church. My uncle's coming to pick us up. So I gotta get some breakfast in me. Good morning, little Ebster. He likes to see himself. But I'm gonna get some breakfast before we head out to church. So I gotta go, yo. Actually, you guys can come with me. We didn't actually come prepared for church, so I didn't bring any church clothes, which is why I'm wearing my ordinary clothes. But it's okay. God still accepts me. And we were feeling a little bit hungry when we got home, and we were gonna go for a walk to the shops to get some more food, but apparently Henderson, you don't do that because it's not really safe. So luckily we didn't. We hear that the crime is quite high here and robbing and stabbing is just the norm. I don't know how true that is. I still miss Siaosi. I wonder what he's doing. A glass of water.
What were your room numbers?
122.
122?
So I totes forgot to show you guys my food because I was so hungry. And now we're waiting for my uncle to come pick us up for church. What's uncle's church's name?
I don't know.
It's Emmanuel, I think. Emmanuel. I'm not really sure. We're going to a church in Henderson. So I just want to let you guys know that I wear glasses now. Ooh. Oh my god, I cannot even see. These are hurting my eyes, but I actually wear them because I need them. Look how thick they are. Can you see this?
I don't know, who's cut toes.
This is how blind my sister is. We're here at church now. My cousin. And my other cousin. And my other cousin. And my other niece. They changed it. They used to have it. Is it? Yeah. And I didn't get.
We just finished church.
Hi. You can't see anything.
I can.
Can you? Yeah. What's good, YouTube? I didn't really take any footage of the church because I just wanted to respect them. I wasn't sure if I'm allowed to post it, so I was respectful in that manner. But we are very hungry.
Yes, my stomach was rumbling too. Like
And full of shouting.
No, the adults are.
Wait, let's get sure. And this is my little nephew. What's your name?
Oh, look, you know that. Handshake. Yeah, go kissy in your kissy.
Kissy to me. You know what? I don't want to play ball. I don't know.
Wait, do you remember what? We're back at the hotel now. We're just resting before we head over and spend our last couple of hours with my grandmother because we're traveling tomorrow. And
Was it in the back of the car?
yeah, it was. And look who's here.
I turned back. Oh. We should have said it. Let's go.
Look who I'm talking to. Oh, Molly, read my vlog.
Let's just go eat Hungry Jack.
Do you want to say hello?
That's the laundromat over there for guests. Can you close? Do his nappy.
I am.
He didn't do it right.
So we're just going to go and get something to eat first. And then we'll be back to spend our last hours with our grandmother. Lots mo ia inga sila ta solo walese. Miskolo.
Sopo ia. O kangingo.
Anyways. Oh, Evan found his own food.
Hey, don't give him the nuggets. Evan, you grab it out of him. Ta. No wonder why.
Oh, you want to see Evan?
So fucking buckle, because none of them are more than in the wrong spot.
Hello?
So this is Countdown, which is equivalent to our Woolworths. And they've got some different brands here, obviously different country. But I'm looking for some cookie time because I want to get some cookie time packets for some friends and for our family. And I would buy you all one, but yeah, I'm broke lava le mea. Makua broke and lava le mea. Too much money is spent. And I still miss Siaosi. But I get to see him tomorrow. One more day. Actually less than 24 hours. Coolies! Whittakers, they've got like all different flavours. No, the LMP one is the best. Coolie! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's for my friend and that's for my family. I love the goodies that you can get from New Zealand, and to be very honest guys, you know, as soon as I got to New Zealand, I just, you can't. I just can't. Enjoy. She looks like she's doing better today.
Oh wow.
Sorry?
Vlog.
Vlog. She looks like she's doing a lot better today. And she's still kind of the same in terms of her personality. Like, you'll see it come out here and there. Oh my gosh! My grandma said she wants to eat ice cream! For the first time. As soon as she says she wants to eat, we go and get it because she hardly ever eats. Is she actually so funny? Yeah, she's been talking to us hard.
How long have you been driving? How old are you?
In the room.
16. Oh wow! Oh, you're so tall. So who's your mum? Gully. Oh, Gully. Yeah. 16.
I think you're my nephew.
I think. Wait, were you born? Were you born here?
Yeah, Longy's son.
Yeah, okay. You were born
I
here.
I used to live with you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, was my dad at your house?
Yeah.
It's my dad.
I was going to come up and sell him, but then I didn't want to.
Yeah.
So did you drive your mum here?
I don't even know.
Who's your mum, CDL?
Like halfway.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so she drove?
And then
anyways,
The oldest one.
it's so good to see you guys. I'm so sorry the delay on my vlog. I will upload it as soon as possible.
Let's go.
And then he's like, oh,
And I can't wait to see Siaosi.
and then I remember.
What?
But I get to see him tomorrow. But these couple of days, or these few hours with my grandmother have been amazing. And I'm so glad I decided to take this last trip. And I got a lot of footage of her. I'll show us snippets of it. But I got a lot of footage of her talking. So thank you guys so much for praying for her and keeping her in your guys' prayers. And I'm just really happy that I took this time to spend it with her. I mean, it was really last minute for my workplace and my sisters as well. We decided, we heard on the day that she might not make it throughout the week, and we booked it straight away. There was no ifs, no buts, no coconuts. We're on a hunt to find this ice cream before my grandma changes her mind. I'm not even running that fast. Oh, it's here. The first one. The first one. Oh, there. Woo. I found it. This is amazing race. I look like an idiot, but I don't care. It's for you, Grandma. Any flavor. Get her creamy vanilla. Creamy vanilla. Yeah.
I think the big one.
Right, and how much are they there? Oh my god, lemon and lime. I want it.
Is this an ice cream? They have a little box.
Yeah, strawberry. Get vanilla. Or French vanilla or banana. Get banana.
For her?
Yeah.
What does she eat?
Banana.
Does she?
Yeah. New Zealand ice creams are so weird. They're in boxes.
I reckon Australia's more cheaper.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
$3.50. Oh yeah, for Tip Top. This is so much.
I should have bought my money.
No, don't do it, girl. Save your money. Save your money.
For what?
For Australia.
No, I already exchanged it.
Oh.
New Zealand dollar.
Oh, did your dad give you 50 each?
Yeah. And then he was like, this morning, I was like, I should have said yes because he was like, oh, ik wil wakker kopen op bit. And I was like, he was like, don't lie. And I was like, oh, nee, like, what?
Good. Oh my gosh, you're such a. I'm gonna. All the viewers know that you're a.
Excuse me, my dad doesn't ever give us money. Unless he has pay come on lunch.
Huh?
I
Yeah.
like that one.
That one's good.
Does she like it?
Yeah. Come on, we have to be quick before she changes her mind.
Bro, I was forcing the
Oh my gosh, you should have brought her you should have brought your money Vainga. Cause I want one.
Oh, where? I'm Baden. Baden, my big L.
I'm Baden. I want a sorbet.
This one?
Yeah. And a worse. And a Molly. Is that you? Is that us, Molly?
Nah. Well, that's why I get a box then.
Oh,
I
whatever.
can share with the boys in the car. Go and get a box then.
What color?
6, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, go get a box.
Come.
Oh,
Yes.
go get a box. I thought you meant go get a container. I'm like, we're not all sharing one. Spoon.
Yeah, do you want? Sorry, mate. Molly, you're loyal.
Yeah, obey me. Yeah, ngara loyo.
Look what you loyal are. Look, we're back to business. We gotta run back home.
Oh my gosh.
Because we ran all the way here.
Yeah, because you're running hard out right now. Yeah.
They're right there. Oh. Aussie's gonna see me. I'm gonna be so silly. Aussie, are you proud of me? I'm doing so much running.
Money girl.
I need to go.
You want to smell it?
What is?
Bro, you're disgusting. I'm gonna feed her.
Mom and Dad's
Some
house.
footage.
We bought it off them and then reinvested.
Oh, hello.
This is my little nephew.
No, this is her little son.
Oh.
Molly have now bought another house.
I know if I will moist your gum.
Dad's inheritance.
Ow.
I don't know if I will moist your gum, man.
I don't want any more. She got married last year.
Anyways,
Oh yeah, anyways.
Yeah, last year.
I'm so excited to go back home tomorrow.
No.
But I am going to miss everyone and my cousins, nieces, nephews, and especially my beautiful grandmother, my aunties and my uncles as well. It's been a pleasure. New Zealand, you have been fantastical. I'm so sorry to all of our subscribers that live in New Zealand. We could not have a meet and greet. Siaosi and I will try and come back next time and we can all have a meet and greet and meet you guys. And you guys can bring us cookie time. Yay!
Ow. Bring us some cold cookies too. Ow.
Hi. What's your name?
David.
David. Do
Oscar,
you want to say something?
Boy.
What did you say?
Hey, mamma, forget it. Hey, pisking corn.
What the the heck? What did you say? What did you say? You're going to Australia for what? Why are you coming to Australia? Olha uma faca. Olha uma faca. You know what I don't get? I don't get why New Zealanders like the Coles cookies so much. Cookie time, yeah, everyone's obsessed about it here. Cookie time cookies are so much better than the Coles ones. You know those Coles ones that I get? It's like 40% chocolate or 70% chocolate or something? Yeah, whatever percent chocolate. Cookie time is so much better than the Coles cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if you can't.
Like if you agree, okay? Like if you agree. And big man.
Yeah, big man for me and my whole cousin, and with Vicky, my friend, and she is so cool and she's so fancy.
Oh, why do you call me Vicky?
Vicky.
It's Victoria.
Oh no. She wants her name to be Victoria.
Not Victoria, it's Victoria.
Oh, Victoria.
Didn't go.
Oh,
Can I come back?
oh yeah, it's Victoria. Victoria.
We are.
Hello.
We've had a moya, did.
She didn't do anything and she's sleeping.
Watch out, Vicky, you might step on the phones that are on the ground.
How far are they?
What do I use to contour? What is it called?
Hey.
Hey girl. This is my last few minutes with my cousin and my nieces.
Just practicing, you know? You feel?
What the big nanny?
It's just straight. Oh my god. It's
My house. The toilet.
Siaosi got me.
Oh, we found that phone.
Yeah.
What's your mic?
Okay guys, it's almost the end of the night and I'm about to end the vlog. But before I do, I just want to say goodbye to my beautiful nieces.
Bye.
I love them so much. I wish I could spend more time with them. Do you guys want to say anything? I don't know. It's been such a long time. And Vulu, the
Last
snob.
time we saw them
Vulu,
was in
the snob.
2009.
No.
And Samoa.
Girl, we saw you at the birthday. Grandma's 90th.
Jokes.
Yes, I'm about to end the vlog, but before I do and do comment of the day, I just wanted to introduce you guys to my fam.
Yeah, my
Oh, yeah.
See, act as if you've never been in front of a camera.
This one?
Yeah.
This one.
Baby Driver.
Yeah.
What? Okay, you have to read it now.
Oh, have you seen it? That's all good movie.
This challenge was super hilarious. The items used was what made it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Super funny. Love this challenge, guys. My little lover, SB Squad. Matcha loafers from California.
Woo! Who wrote it?
Mr. and Mrs. Satene Leoliti.
Oh my gosh, you guys have gotten 2 comments of the day in the past 2 weeks.
Really?
Congratulations.
Wow! Congrats. Keep commenting.
Thank you. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like our channel, if you like this video, thumbs up this video, and turn on the notification button so that you get when we upload. And we'll see you every Sunday and Tuesday.
Bye.
Bye. I know I ended the vlog, but I just wanted to say thank you so much. We're about to leave New Zealand in a few hours, and I said goodbye to my grandmother and I just could not stop crying. It was just the saddest thing ever. But I do want to thank you guys one more time for praying for her, keeping my family in your prayers. Please continue to do so, and we will see you next time. Bye.